Welcome to a new deep dive. Today, we're taking a close look at the top companies on the Colombo Stock Exchange in Sri Lanka.
Right.
Our mission is really to understand what makes them market leaders, beyond just the surface level numbers.
Exactly. We've pulled together some fascinating insights from your research and notes.
To give you that shortcut to what's really driving their success.
That's right. And the context is important here. As of late June 2025, the CSE lists 286 companies,
Okay.
collective market cap, over LKR 6.4 trillion. That's Sri Lankan rupees, of course.
Wow, that's substantial.
And get this, the all-share price index. It just hit a record high, over 19,900 points on August 1st.
So real signs of economic resurgence there.
Definitely seems that way.
Okay, so let's unpack this. We're focusing on the top 10, which are mostly these big diversified conglomerates and financial institutions. And as we look through everything, what really stood out beyond just their size were like three major trends.
Yeah, three powerful currents shaping their success.
Strategic diversification, first off. Then this huge push into digital transformation.
And the third.
And a really deep commitment to sustainability and CSR.
It's fascinating how these themes interconnect. Let's start with diversification. Take John Keel's Holdings, JKH.
Right, number one, market cap LKR, 433.66 billion.
Exactly. They're huge, spanning transport, leisure, property, a real mix.
So it's not just about being big.
No, it's strategic. It's a calculated hedge against Sri Lanka's economic ups and downs.
And so specifically, how does that play out?
Well, having revenue from unrelated sectors, it creates internal shock absorbers. If tourism slumps, maybe transport or property picks up.
Okay, that makes sense. It provides stability.
Right. And that attracts more consistent investment, allows them to reinvest even when things are tough. LOLC Holdings, Elsta Corp, similar stories. Broad diversification.
Got it. A solid foundation. But equally important seems to be this digital drive. What are you seeing there?
This is where it gets really interesting. You have to ask, how deep does this tech integration go? Right.
Well, look at Commercial Bank of Ceylon, rank 3. They're using AI for underwriting.
AI for underwriting. How does that actually work?
It means using artificial intelligence to assess loan applications faster, more accurately. Speeds things up, cuts risk.
Impressive.
And their Combank digital platform. Over 1.5 million users, processed over LKR 4 trillion in transactions. Huge numbers.
Wow.
Then there's LOLC Finance, number 7, multiple awards for digital stuff. They're even integrating generative AI internally.
For what kinds of things?
Things like automating reports, drafting internal comms, planning new digital loan products. It's becoming core.
So efficiency and new offerings.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And even Dialog Axiata, the telco giant in number 9, they pioneered 5G using AI to make their network more efficient.
So it's not just like adding an app. It's fundamental.
It's a fundamental shift in the business model. Absolutely changes the game.
Okay. And the third pillar, sustainability and CSR. You mentioned it's not just buzzwords. Definitely not. It's deeply integrated. Ceylon Tobacco Company rank 2, surprisingly, maybe for some. They've been carbon neutral across all their sites for 3 years straight.
3 years. That's consistent.
And they're using drone tech for precision farming, linking sustainability directly to efficient operations.
Interesting connection.
Then you have Hatton National Bank, HNB, at number 6. 95 branches converted to solar power.
Wow.
And they offset lending impacts through reforestation. Sampath Bank, number 10, invested LKR 60 million in environmental and social projects.
Including solar for branches, right? I saw that note.
Yeah, reducing their carbon footprint by 8%. These aren't just side projects, they're investments.
Investments that pay off how?
Better brand reputation, lower costs, alignment with global ESG trends, which attracts long-term investors and customers.
So bringing it all together.
If you connect the dots, these top companies aren't just big. They're pioneering new ways to do business.
Right.
Their mix of diversification, aggressive digital moves, and genuine sustainability efforts. It's setting a new standard for leadership there.
So what does all this mean for you listening in? These Sri Lankan businesses offer, well, a really powerful case study.
In resilience, in forward-thinking strategy, especially in a dynamic economy.
Yeah, and it really raises a key question, doesn't it? How might these integrated approaches combining diversification, digital, and sustainability shape the future elsewhere?
Good question.
Maybe even in your own industry or your own work. Something to think about, how those principles could apply closer to home.